Nicole, and I'm here with my November Cheeky Studio Design Team unboxing. So first, I want to show you the sketches for this month, and I can already tell I'm going to be doing a few of those. I really like the sketches. So now let's get into the kit. I haven't even peeked at it. I just kind of took it out of the box. And this is what it is. Let's start with the obvious. We have a set of stickers. Yay! And I love the size. So these are called Twilight, and they're a black foam. There's uppercase and lowercase. Amazing. Next thing that pops in my view is this stamp set. So Cheeky Studio started making stamp set. This is, I believe, the first one. It's called Wildflowers Stamp. Look at it. Absolutely love it. And I already know some of the pages that I'm going to be making with this. If you've been following me for a while, you know that my second daughter got married on October 13th. So I know I'm going to be doing some wedding pictures, you know, love and flowers. And it's got fall colors, and she got married in the fall. So perfect. I want to keep this for last. Let's go to the next one here. So I already see a couple of bows. I don't want to break the bag. There. A couple of bows. I'm definitely going to use that bag. I'm just going to take my time off camera and take the Scotch tape off. A couple of bows, white bows, and then some cork stickers. Oh, I like those. There's little flowers and little hearts. And then these are called, the name of the kit is called Autumn Beauty. I guess I didn't say that. So now, let's see these cut parts. Okay, so it says Amazing Grace, Autumn Beauty, Tweet Tweet. Really like those. So you just cut them apart. It's exactly what it says. Then, let's go look at the pattern papers. And I'd say these are exclusive Cheeky Studio from the label. And, okay. Oh, I love those little birds. This is called Autumn Beauty number 1, 2018. Well, that's cute. It's just a blue with a mushroom on the side and where you can put the date. I don't know which side I'm going to use. That's the hard part. Choosing what side. Then Autumn Beauty number 3 that says sweatshirts, leaves, light breezes, moments. So all fall words. Autumn Beauty. And then a plaid on the back. Autumn Beauty number 5. It's a nice pink background with some florals on the side. That's going to make a nice page. Oh no! I like that side too. Oh, the dilemma. Okay, so I see. So this is number 5 on this side, and this side is Autumn Beauty number 6. So that's Autumn Beauty number 4, and then 1 and 2, I would imagine. Okay. All right, I don't know what side I'm going to use. And then Autumn Beauty number 7. Oh, that's pretty too. Man. A lot of decisions. Oh, I love that. That is, I can see that as the beginning of her album. All I have to do is put wedding 2018. Wouldn't that be just going to be gorgeous? Oh, I love it. That's exactly what I'm going to do, and then I can put their names somewhere. That is gorgeous. I can't wait to use that. And then Autumn Beauty 11. Love that. And again, a plaid on the back, a nice big plaid. Man, my hard time is going to be what side to choose. And then a couple of cardstock, one in kind of like a is it a cream or light gray? And then a blue. Okay, now the last thing that I want to keep last. So let's bring some of this to the front so you can see everything that's included in here. Now I'm going to keep that light gray one to the top so that we can see all these embellishments. Just going to dump them right out. Oh, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spread them out, and then I'll bring them up so that you can see them. So if you're new to my channel, I'm a design team member for Cheeky Studio. And if you order from their website, you just put in Nicole Jones 911, you'll get 10% off your entire order. Now that doesn't include the kit club, but you can get these die cuts separately if you want to. Oh my land. These are gorgeous. And like I said, how perfect for a fall wedding. I can tell that all my 3 layouts are going to be about my daughter's wedding. We don't have a lot of pictures back yet, but that's okay. I'll scrap the ones that I do have. Wow. Okay, I'm almost done. And then I'll bring them up so that you can see them. Good little birds, they're so cute. Okay, so that you get an overview of all the embellishments that are in that kit. Look at all of them. There is so many. Wow. I can't wait to play with this. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. And that's it. That's everything that's included in the October Cheeky Studio kit. And if you want more information on Cheeky Studio, I'll have everything in the description box below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.